What is doing good business really means? What does it mean to you? To me, it means putting people first and putting my ego last. Now, I'll admit, it hasn't always been as easy. It hasn't always been as straightforward because we live in a world that has so many temptations all the time. And when we're in business, we want to do bigger things. We want to be successful. We want to accomplish. And many times you might look at things and say, I can get away with this. It's not going to impact me. It's not going to affect anyone. But here's the thing, it might not look like it will affect anyone. It might not affect you right now, but it might have a massive negative impact on someone else's life. And this is why your responsibility as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, as a leader, is to always do the right thing, to always do good business. And it's your responsibility to ask yourself before every decision that you take in your business, daily, or even in your personal life, is that how I want to be treated? Is that the world that I want to live in? Is what I'm doing now will have impact on someone else's life? And if this is the world that I want to leave behind for the next generation and for my kids.